Hi, my name is John. Today is the first day of June, so it's time for my free giveaway. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if I can come up with a winner. Right, George Oliver 3150. All you've got to do is send me an email. That's my email up there with your address, and I'll get them posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to continue doing giveaways until I've got nothing left to give away. I've got people sending items in pure and simply to be given away. I'll show the items for next month's giveaway now. If you want to enter the giveaway, it's very simple. All you got to do is watch this video, which obviously you're doing. In the comment box, you need to put a comment. The comment must say 2024 giveaway 6. That's all you need to put. 2024 giveaway 6. I mean, you can put other comments, you can put anything you want. I've had some really good ones, I can show you. Right, that's enough talk. Let's have a look, see what the prizes are for next month. These are the prizes for this month's free giveaway. Double Boost Cup, supplied by Rob, the channel sponsor and friend at Extreme Plasma. Set of Cleveland twist drills, real good quality drills, and to try and keep the drills alive, a bottle of anchor lube. I'm really impressed with this stuff. I use it all the time in the shop now.